cheeky monsters! Are you ready for part 2 of how to draw a cheeky monster? Then get your pens and pencils ready as we draw Spike, Rocky and Drago!
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters!
Hi cheeky monsters! I'm here with a very, very special guest we have over here. And what's your name? Do you want to tell everyone?
Lilia.
It's Lilia! High five, Lilia. Nice to meet you. Now, Lilia, today we're going to be drawing our cheeky monster friend, Spike. Do you like Spike?
Yeah.
You do. And why do you like Spike?
Well, I like him because he's the colour orange.
It's my favourite colour. What's your favourite colour?
Please
say orange, please say.
Orange.
No! That is so weird. So freaky. Let's just take our time. I'm going to just show you how to draw Spike. So, take the pencil. Now, the first thing you're going to do is draw a big circle, okay? And this is going to be the top part of his head, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to draw another circle just underneath, but it's going to be a little bit longer, a bit like an egg shape, okay?
Okay.
So, we've done the first part. Now we need to add the eyes, okay? So, Spike's got kind of two long eyes, again, a bit like eggs. I like eggs.
Yeah.
It's making me hungry. I heard that this morning you had breakfast and it was slightly unusual. Do you want to tell everyone what you had for breakfast?
Okay, I just had toast with butter and salt sprinkled on it.
Salt sprinkled on it. Maybe we should try it. Then the next thing we need to do is add Spike's nose. So Spike's nose is like a triangle but with a round bottom. Now, Spike also has two little nostrils at the bottom. So we're going to draw two circles at the bottom. So you're going to draw one here and one here. Okay, Spike also needs to eat his breakfast. So he needs, what does he need to eat?
His mouth.
He does need a mouth, that is true. And inside that mouth, what does he need?
His teeth.
He needs teeth. So we need to give him two teeth. So we've got one tooth and two teeth. Now, obviously, Spike is famous for something. What is he famous for? He's called Spike. What does he have? He has purple...
Spikes.
There, that's it. He has purple spikes. So we need to draw the spikes. The other thing he has is two horns. So these are going to go a bit like this. So inside the eyes as well, we're going to do two circles like this. Now, we need to put the two circles together because at the moment he looks a little bit like an alien. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line along so they join. So you're going to take a black felt tip pen. Find it. Perfect. Okay. Open it up. Put the lid on the top so we don't lose it. It's the worst when they dry out. Have you ever had that when the felt tips dry out because you lose the lid? You can never use them again. It's so bad. Okay, so have to make sure you do that. Now we'll take our pen. I'm going to start with drawing around his head so we know exactly where his head is, okay? So, do you own any cheeky monster books?
My brother has the whole collection.
The whole collection?
Yeah.
Wow, that is good. They're really good books. Can I tell you my favourite?
Yeah.
My favourite book, I think, is the Rocky Road Racer book. It's really good because they go on a big race. But the Spike book is also really good. And in the Spike book, they make a bug hotel and they pick up all the litter, which is really important. Now, I forgot something when we were drawing. Dun, dun, dun. I forgot to add eyebrows, which is why he has no eyebrows. So we're going to add them now, okay, with the felt tip pen. Right, you can copy me? So they're just little curves. We're going to colour in the rest of Spike's face.
I was actually practicing drawing Glitter and Rocky.
Were you? Oh, maybe you could show us. That'd be really good. Just while you finish, I'm going to get the next pencil ready. So obviously Spike is really famous for his purple spikes, isn't he? So we need to find the purple pencil. And I think this one is the perfect one. Oh, you have that prepared. Great. So when you've done that bit, we're going to move on to the spikes. That is looking really, really good. Well done. Okay, so purple pencil, and we're just going to draw colour, not draw, colour, his little spike at the top here. So, with the same purple pencil, we're just going to draw some lines inside here. Perfect! That is looking really good. And I think our spike picture is complete. You happy with it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to hold it up and show the camera after 3. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Hey, looking really good. High five. Looks great, doesn't it? Hi, cheeky monsters. It's me, Kaya, and I have a very, very special friend with me today. We have, tell everyone your name. Alicia, that's right. High five, Alicia. Yeah, ooh, you are strong, aren't you? Today, we are going to draw Rocky. Do you know Rocky? He's really fast and he zooms around in a car. He's really, really quick. And he's really good at drawing. So we're going to draw him. How does that sound? Sound good? Thumbs up. Now, to draw Rocky, we need to draw a big circle for his head. Sound good? So, if you just copy me, I'm going to take my pencil, give it a wiggle like this. Cheeky wiggle. Here we go. So we're going to draw a big circle like this. So the next thing we need to do, now Rocky has a little tufty bit of hair on the top of his head. Okay, so we've done Rocky's face and we've done Rocky's hair. What else do we need to do? Now, how do you hear? What do you need to hear?
Ears.
Ears, that's the one, we need ears. So let's draw Rocky's ears. Now, the next thing we need is something to see. Now, how do we
Eyes.
You are clever. We need eyes, that's right. So, take our pencil. And we're going to do, so before we draw Rocky's eyes, we need to do a squiggly line, okay? The squiggly line goes up and then down, like that. Can you do that? Up and down. That is perfect. Okay. Now, underneath this squiggly line, we're going to do a circle. So this bit can be a little bit tricky, so just watch it. So you're going to join up the squiggly line to here, like this. So how many eyes do we have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 eyes?
2.
No, is it? Are you sure? Should we count them? We've got 1, 2. Oh, it's just 2. Okay, right. Okay, we need a nose. Okay, so for a nose, we're going to do a squiggly little line. Do you want to watch? Okay, I'll show you first. We're going to do a big smile because Rocky is really happy. Show us your smile. Go cheese. Show the camera. Cheese. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to do a big smile. And how you do this is you take your pencil. Ooh. Oh, perfect. And then you're going to go all the way around like this. So the next thing we need to do is 2 little lines here and here just to finish off his big smile. Now the other thing that Rocky has is a big green tongue. Ugh, green. What colour's your tongue? Yours is pink. What colour's mine?
Red.
I've got a red tongue. It's not green, no? Are you sure? Phew, okay. Okay, so we're going to do a big green tongue, and how you do it is like this. So the next thing we need is Rocky's teeth, because otherwise he can't eat any food. So Rocky has 2 teeth, okay? So for his eyebrows, we're going to do a triangle shape. Looks good, right? Do you want to give it a go? The next thing we need to do is take a black felt tip pen, so it looks a little bit like this one. Perfect. We're going to open it up, put the lid on the back, and then we're going to draw around our pencil lines. You can take as much time as you want. Are you ready? Oh, do you go to school? You do, and do you draw at school? Do you like school? Is it fun?
Now I have school holidays.
School holidays are the best. And do you know how long you've got off the school holidays?
6 weeks.
6 weeks? Wow, and what are you going to do in that time? Have you got anything planned, anything fun?
When I go back, I'll be in year 1.
Yeah, that is really big, year 1. What were you before that? What year were you before that?
Reception.
Reception, that's right. That's really good. Hey, year 1 is a lot bigger, so you must be a bit older now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to colour in Rocky's face. Are you ready? Right, let's give it a go. I'm excited. Oh, very good. Little hand rub. Warm it up, warm it up. Wiggle the fingers. Wiggle your face. Perfect. Okay, here we go. I love to colour. Colouring's the best. Do you like singing? You do? What's your favourite song?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you know Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Do you want to sing it with me? Okay, should we give it a go? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle. Are you singing? Am I singing by myself? No. Okay. Okay, so if you want to put that pencil down, and then we're going to take a green pencil and say snap, because we've got the same pencil. Snap. Okay, then we're going to draw Rocky's tongue. We're going to colour it in. Okay, are you finished? Okay, then take the pencil, give it a wiggle, put it back in the pot, boing. And then we're going to hold up and show our pictures after 3. You're going to count with me? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3! Ta-da! Amazing! Let's show each other. Say hello, my name is Rocky.
Hello, my name is Rocky.
Hello, my name is Rocky. Hi, cheeky monsters. It's me. Oh, hello. My name's Kaya. What's your name?
Morgan.
Morgan. And today we're going to be doing what, Morgan? What are we doing?
Drawing.
We're going to be drawing. And I'm so excited. Are you? Ooh, me too. Okay, so Morgan, I heard that you today have a favourite cheeky monster that we might draw later. But before we do that, we're going to draw a cheeky monster. Do you know who that cheeky monster is? Is it Violet? That is a good guess, but it's Drago. Do you remember Drago? Yeah, exactly, Drago. Well, I think Drago really likes science, and I think we should draw her. Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
All right, high five. Ooh. So take your pencil, give it a wiggle. Ooh. Give it a wiggle to me. Ooh. Oh, goodness, very close. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start by drawing a circle. Do you know what a circle looks like? It's round, so... Perfect, right, now we're going to do another circle underneath it like this. If you watch mine, so it looks a bit like a snowman. Okay, right, so Drago has 2 eyes. Is that right? So we need to draw 2 eyes. So we're going to do 1 like this. I've got an idea. How about I draw the outline and you draw around it? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, okay, next bit is we need to draw some teeth. So we're going to do 2 triangles at the bottom. Now, while he colours in, I'm going to carry on drawing mine. So we also need to give Drago some hair. Also, we need to add on a little spike. Hey, I think you should put a spike on your head, on the head of yours, like this. I think that would really make it look so good. Okay, and then a little nose. And then also we need to add some glasses. First, we need to use the yellow one. So do you want to take the yellow one for me? Take the lid off. Perfect. And we're going to draw some big glasses, so a big circle. And we're going to use the black pen now. And we're going to go over all of the pencil, okay, with the black pen. Do you think you can do that? Okay, let's do it then. So, take the green pencil, put it in the air, wiggle it around. Then we're going to colour in like this. So you're going to colour in with me? Morgan, I tell you what else we need to use. Blue. We forgot the blue. Have you got the blue? This one? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, you ready? You're going to count with me. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 as loud as you can. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Look at each other. Say hello. Hello. And back to the camera. Hello. Hello. Okay, that was really really fun, wasn't it, Florrie? I really enjoyed drawing Violet, but I have a cheeky monster challenge for you. Are you ready? I have a challenge for you. Are you up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Feeling challenge ready?
Yeah.
The first person to draw Rocky will be the winner. How does that sound? Sound good? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3. Bing, bing. There! 1. There we go! Fantastic! Yay! 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Big thumbs up to the camera. And a big cheeky wave. Cheeky wave like this. Really low five. Fantastic. And a big cheeky monster wave to the camera. We did it. Well done. A big cheeky wave like this. Show the camera. We did it. Now we're going to give everyone a big cheeky monster wave to the camera, and a big thumbs up, and a big high five. Do cheeky wave to the camera. Cheeky wave. Thanks for joining us, cheeky monsters, with all of our artistic creations. We're going to go now, but always remember,
Everyone has a cheeky monster.
which one are you? Goodbye.
We're all cheeky monsters.
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?